Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Valerian tincture. First, gather your main ingredient, fresh or dried valerian root. You will also need a high-proof alcohol, such as 80-proof vodka, and a clean glass jar with a tight-fitting lid. Accurate measurements are important for a successful outcome. This simple process allows you to create your own herbal remedy at home with just a few basic items. Next, prepare your valerian root. If using fresh root, chop it into small, manageable pieces to maximize surface area for extraction. Place the prepared root into your clean glass jar. Then, pour your chosen alcohol over the root, ensuring it is completely submerged. This step is crucial for proper maceration. Seal the jar tightly and find a cool, dark spot for storage, away from direct sunlight. Now comes the infusion period, which requires patience. Allow the mixture to infuse for at least 4 to 6 weeks. During this time, the alcohol will extract the beneficial compounds from the valerian root. Remember to gently shake the jar once every day. This daily agitation helps to ensure a thorough and even extraction, leading to a more potent and effective tincture. Finally, it is time to strain and bottle your tincture. After the infusion period, strain the liquid through a cheesecloth or a very fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl. Make sure to squeeze out all the liquid from the root material to get every last drop. Transfer the finished valerian tincture into dark glass dropper bottles. Store these bottles in a cool, dark place to maintain their potency for a long time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.